how you can make water bottle labels in Canva. So it's pretty simple because there are some templates to make some water labels. So if you're in your Canva, make sure you are in this area in home section, and on the left you can click templates. It's gonna open you this area and you can search for the template and type here water bottle and here click on label. So here it's gonna show you all water bottles templates and you can choose between these. Some of them are for free and some of them you need to buy Canva Premium. So you can choose one of these, for example this one, and click customize this template, and this is the actual format of water bottle label, and here you can customize it. You can change the color. You don't have to make it the exact same like this template. You can customize the little text, you can change it, you can change the name of your brand, and once you are done you can click on share and save your water label, and then you can print it. You can check many other templates which fits you the most. So that's how you can do it. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.